How to use Caplight private market price discovery app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Caplight is revolutionizing private market investing by bringing price discovery and transparency to private company shares. But beginners often misuse its tools and miss key insights. Here's how to use it right. The first mistake is not verifying company data sources. Caplight aggregates private market prices from multiple inputs: brokers, investors, and historical transactions. If you skip verifying that data, you could misinterpret a company's true valuation. Next, don't forget to use the analytics dashboard. It reveals price trends, liquidity insights, and market sentiment critical for timing your trades for secondary investments. Another mistake: treating private market data like public equities. These assets are less liquid and move slower, so patience and due diligence matter far more. Pro tip: set alerts for valuation changes in companies you're tracking. FITE's notifications can help you act early when private valuations shift. And here's the surprising truth: investors who use Caplight's transparency tools gain a major edge over those relying on word of mouth or outdated pricing. Used properly, Caplight turns opaque private markets into data-driven opportunities, giving you clarity, confidence, and smarter investment decisions in a space once closed to everyday investors.